Save our planet. Study raises concern over carbon dioxide sequestering. A report recently published in the journal Nature Geoscience warns that despite current proposals by governments to invest billions in the technology to slow global warming, carbon storing may have risks that far outweigh its benefits. Authored by Professor Gary Shaffer from the Danish Center for Earth System Science, the study questions the effectiveness and long-term impacts of carbon capture and storage, or CCS methods, both in the ocean and underground.
The report observes that storing carbon in the ocean could lead to increased acidity and a high risk of leakage due to ocean currents and storms. This practice could also result in large dead zones while disrupting the food chain and affecting deep-sea life. Underground storage, on the other hand, could be severely compromised from leaks occurring as a result of natural disasters such as earthquakes. Professor Shaffer calls on society to limit the source of carbon emissions rather than relying on CCS, saying, "The dangers of carbon sequestration are real, and the development of CCS should not be used as a way of justifying continued high fossil fuel emissions."
Thank you, Professor Shaffer and Associates, for reminding of the unknown factors and potentially devastating consequences of carbon storage. Let us turn instead to quickly adopt sustainable ways that ensure the restoration of harmony and balance on Earth.
Supreme Master Ching Hai has frequently reminded that the solution to global warming requires only conscientious lifestyle choices rather than technological advancements, as during an interview published in the July 12, 2009 edition of the Irish Sunday Independent.
The natural landscape of grassland and forest are more effective to absorb CO2 than carbon capturing technology, according to UN Environmental Program. Besides, it's risky, I think. It's not tested yet. What if the carbon leak back into the atmosphere again in a concentrate amount like that? When we capture them year after year, decades after decade, and then something happen and it leak up, And then what we do?
Yeah.
So, with the vegan diet, we eat what's best for our health, for the animals, for the environment, and nature will do the rest to restore balance and save our world.